Hello, Assalamu alaikum and good evening. Today we are going to learn present perfect continuous tense. And the present perfect continuous tense, it talks about any action that starts in the past and continue in the present. Alright? So without wasting time, let's get started with our session. Present perfect continuous. Present perfect continuous tense. Present perfect continuous. And you know that when we start making any sentence of any tense, the first thing we need is the structure, which could be called the formula or rule also. So I'll just write structure. And structure for present perfect continuous is subject plus has been or have been plus verb ing form we have to use, verb ing form and plus object. Alright, okay. The first thing when you are making any sentence, any tense, and that is the structure. And second thing is definition. Very, very important, because once you know the definition and you can use the tense accordingly. Definition. Definition. Alright, and definition for this one, which I told you, any action that starts in the past and continue in present. Alright, so any action that starts in the past and continue in present. I'll make a timeline for you so you will better understand. Let's say this is the timeline. Okay, so let's say now it is 5 p.m. Now it is 5 p.m. Okay, so any action that starts in the morning, like here 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock, let's say Fatma, she started washing clothes 8 o'clock. So here the activity of washing clothes been taking place continuously, and in present also it is continued. You got it? So any action that starts in the past and continue in the present, this is the timeline diagram for you. Alright, now we will try to understand has been and have been, where to use. Which subject we take has been and which subject we take have been. I'll make it a chart for you. Okay, so here I'll write it for you like has been and have been. Alright, if the subject is he, she, it, or singular noun, like one name, like Rashid, Martin, we use has been. And if the subject is I, we, you, and they, and plural noun, like more than one name, like children, you know, the singular nouns child and children. So we use have been. Now we start making sentences so you will better understand. As I told you, when we are making the sentences of any tense, we need, the first thing we require is the structure. And here the structure which I have written here is subject, I'll put it short, subject plus has been or have been plus verb ing form and plus object. Alright. Before we make this sentence, because most of the Pakistani guys, we are encountering problem. We always, first we make in Urdu and translate into English, So how you identify whether this sentence is present simple, present continuous, or present perfect continuous? All right, so I'll just make it for you. This one, identification in Urdu. Identification in Urdu. Identification in Urdu. So you could able to identify whether this is present perfect continuous. So such sentences end with, like, you know, Martin सुबह से खेल रहा है. Like सुबह से खेल रहा है, like शाम से खेल रहा है, दोपहर से खेल रहा है, इतवार से खेल रहा है. So like this, रहा है, सुबह से, शाम से, रात से. Okay, और एंजेला 2 घंटों से गा रही है. All right, we'll try to make this one and you'll understand. Okay, so we understood the identification also. सुबह से खेल रहा है, रात से खेल रहा है, और 2 घंटों से गा रही है, 2 दिनों से गा रही है, 2 महीने से गा रही है. All right, so we'll make it now the sentences. So when we are making this sentence, okay, so first we require is the subject, then has been and have been based on this chart, and then the object. All right, verb ing form and then the object. Okay, so first subject, Martin सुबह से खेल रहा है. The subject is Martin. Martin. And has been or have been. So Martin here, as I told you, singular noun, one name, and we take has been. So Martin has been. Has been. Plus, and the verb ing form. So play become playing. Playing. Martin has been playing. Martin has been playing. So subah se. So we say since morning. Since morning. Now you would be confused, why since? Okay, since we use for start time. Start time. Only start time. Like since morning, evening, night, you know, anything, morning, like evening, like Friday, like 2 p.m. Anything like this kind of, it's called start time, which does not have amount of time, period. That's it. Okay, so we use since because there is no amount of time. This is just morning, so no amount of time, so you can use since. Now we'll make it which has the amount of Angela 2 घंटों से गा रही है. So subject is Angela. Angela. And Angela is singular noun, again has been. And singing, verb ing form, singing. All right. 2 घंटों से, here we use for 2 hours. For 2 hours. Okay. So for we use like 2 घंटे, there's amount of time. What की मिकदार, amount of time. We use for amount of time. Amount of time. Okay, what की मिकदार. When you have amount of time, we use for. Like 2 days, like 5 days, like 3 months, like 6 months, like 2 decades, and so on. So this is it from now. The present perfect continuous. We understood that any action that starts in the past and continue in the present. All right, and the structure is subject plus has been or have been, and the verb ing form and the object. The chart which I prepared for you, has been is used if the subject is he, she, it, or any singular noun, and have been we take if the subject is I, we, you, they, and any plural noun. This is it from now. Inshallah, catch you up tomorrow.